Die Lampe, die Uhr, die Flasche. Are you struggling with die, der, and das articles? No problem. In this video, I got you covered. I'm going to explain to you all the tips, the tricks, and the hacks that will help you to identify the gender of these nouns. And without wasting much time, los geht's. We are going straight to the business of the day, okay? Today, our main focus is the articles, the feminine articles, okay? If you haven't watched the previous video on the introduction of these articles, please go back and watch it. It will give you the basic foundation that you will need to understand all these die, der, das articles. And for now, let's start with the die. Die, as I have told you, it's a feminine article, and there are quite a number of rules that must be followed for you to use this die, okay? For you to identify which one to use, there are options or ways to help you identify. First, you look at the biological setup of this a noun. Second, you'll see the appearance, then the meaning of that noun. And fourth, we'll also see the suffixes, okay? Pay much attention on these 4 ways. Rule number 1. All plurals takes a D. May it be a der, a das, all of them, all of the nouns, they take a D article. All female persons in the family, they are given a D article. You will look at that person and identify if the person has features related to female. For instance, big hips, breast, and other things that are related to female, okay? For example, we have die Mutter, die Schwester, die Tante, all feminine, they are given a D article. Rule number 3. Feminine professions. Feminine professions. For example, die Lehrerin, die Ärztin, die Studentin, okay, die Studentin, the engineering, all the female professions. We have learned about the professions. You can go back to the video and refresh your mind. All the female professions, they're given a D articles. All the female persons in the family, like aunt, like mother, sister, aunt, grandmother, all these females, they are given a D article. Rule number 4. All the flowers, okay? You know, they associate women, the girls, they like flowers. Maybe on Valentine, your boyfriend gives you a flower, asks you to marry him. All these flowers, they are female things, okay? So, when you are talking about flowers, like, you are supposed to use a D. Zum Beispiel, the rosa, the lily, all these, the tulip, all these are types of flowers, and they are associated with women. That's why they are given a D article. Rule number 4. Trees. All trees, Deuma, all these trees and fruits, all these are given a D article. They assume fruits like bananas, okay? And most of the fruits, a good number, are given a D article. Of course, there are some exceptions, though it's not so big, but most, like almost 97% of fruits, they are given female article, which is a D. Okay, the same to trees, all types of trees, all types of fruits, flowers, they are given a D article. Next rule is all about plurals. As you have seen, if you are talking about plurals, may it be the plural of people, may it be plural of things, may it be plural of all the nouns, they take a D article. They take a D article. This is very, very important. When you have more than one book, you will say das Bücher. So if it is one, it will take a das. But if there are more than one, you will say die Bücher. Die Bücher, das Buch, okay? All plurals, numbers, anything that it is more than one, they take a D plural. They take a D article. Next is all Zahlen. All Zahlen. These are cardinal numbers. Zum Beispiel 1, 2, 3, 4. All these numbers, they take a D article, okay? Then we also have these aeroplanes, ships, motorbikes. Okay, the motorbike and the ships and the aeroplanes. So these are the examples of means of transport. They will always take a D article. Okay. Then from there we also have next rule. Next rule, geographical place names. Geographical place names. And if I talk of geographical place names, I mean the continents here. As you all know, we have learned about continents. If you haven't, please go back to the video on this playlist and you will see. All the continents, there are 7. They are given a D articles. A D articles. Do you remember there is a certain poem we used to learn? I don't know which, in our primary level. It's all about woman is the world. Woman is the world. So try to remember woman is the world. Without woman, world cannot continue because there will be no giving birth and stuff like that. Then start associating the continents, the places with a D article. We have 7 continents: Europe, Africa, Antarctica, South America, North America. All these they are given a D. Then we have chemical elements and metals. All chemical elements and metals. As you can remember, in high school we used to learn all these elements and metals. I don't know if it was in Form 2 or but in high school we used to learn all these. For example, zum Beispiel aluminium, lead, blide, all these they are given a D articles. Okay. Next is about endings. Okay. Endings. If you see a noun that ends with an IE, this takes a D article. Zum Beispiel Demokratie. It ends with an IE. Takes a D article. Next we have nouns end with the E. Zum Beispiel Katze. E at the end. Okay, it takes a D article. Next, nouns ending with an AE. Zum Beispiel Bücherei, library, takes a D. All nouns ending with word height. Okay, zum Beispiel Gesundheit, this is health. Okay, or bless you, they end with they take a D. Also kites in zum Beispiel Freundlichkeit, okay, friendliness, friendlich kites. All words ending with shaft, zum Beispiel Mannschaft is a team, they take a D. All words ending with an ONG, zum Beispiel Regierung, which is a government, or Übung, exercise, they take a D. All words ending with an AT, A umlaut, or IK or IO, all these they take a D. We also have endings like I, E, U, R, Trends, IK, zum Beispiel Politik, this is politics, they take a D. Words ending with that D, AD, zum Beispiel Limonade is a limousine. We also have words ending with an edge, zum Beispiel Waage, this is the balance. We also have ans, zum Beispiel Arrogance. Okay. We also have endings ENS, zum Beispiel Competency. All these they take a D at school. We also have endings et, ine, ion, zum Beispiel Religion, Kansete, in touch, Realität. All these they end with an E, with a D. They take a D. And then lastly, all nouns that takes the verbs all verbs, I mean all verbs used as nouns, zum Beispiel Gerald, all verbs that are used as nouns like Gerald, Shivman, all this they take a D, okay? They take a D. Anyways, I don't want this video to be too long. This has all about being D. There is a video all about there, and there is another video all about das, and there is another video all about D, there, and das introduction. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video up to this point. I really appreciate. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Share it with your friends. And if you have any question, please write them in the comment section. And turn on the bell so that if I upload a new video, you will get notified first, okay? Otherwise, thank you and choose. Bye. Auf Wiedersehen. I love you guys.